and welcome to my unboxing. Yay! I know y'all been waiting for it. I certainly been waiting for it. I've been waiting like a week and a half for this to come, but yay, finally it's here. Oh my goodness. So many wonderful things I got for my wellness and for my hubby, and I just can't wait to share. So, without further ado, here it is. This has got to be the biggest box I've gotten yet, but it's filled with great stuff, and I can't wait to share with y'all what they're all about. So, let's get into this. Oh, I've always said, and I probably say it a dozen times more, feels like Christmas every time I get my stuff from doTERRA. Oh my goodness. And as always, I love their biodegradable packaging. You can reuse this actually. You can wrap your plates in it if you have some you need to carry over somewhere else. Any kind of chinaware, all those things. Oh, there's a lot of great stuff in here. Oh, okay. I'm just going to move stuff around here a little bit just to make sure I got it. Make sure y'all see every single thing I got. Oh my goodness. And I'll probably go briefly through each thing just to let y'all know. Whatever I mention here, I'll probably have a video on, and I'll put it up in any of these corners right here so y'all can see it. So, without further ado, here we go. So, we've been talking about foundational wellness here lately. And doTERRA made it possible for us to get our daily vitamins in the simplest form possible. That's how they created VMG Plus. I hope y'all can see that. Light's kind of bright. Put that over there. There we go. And this is vitamins, minerals. I'm sorry, I'm saying it the wrong way. Vitamins, minerals, and greens, plus essential oils and a whole bunch of other things. And to go with it is the E-Omega Plus Essential Oil Omega Complex, which is all your omega-3s and all those good things. And I do have a previous class about that, and I'll put in either of these, showing up in one of these corners so you can look at that and see what it's all about. So, yeah, that's those. And if you order any Foundational Wellness Bundle, you get a really sweet gift, at least this month. I'm not sure if it's going to be in the months following. Don't quote me on it, but as I'll let you know before. But yeah, you get this beautiful package right here. I'm just going to get into this right quick. This includes a guide all about foundational wellness. See? Yeah. And it also has a beautiful, beautiful, here, I'm just going to turn around so you can see it, a glass shaker bottle and a 5 milliliter of peppermint essential oil. And this was free with our wellness bundle, whichever one you get. So I know it's this month. I'm not sure about the following months, but I will let you know as soon as I find out. Next up, and I can customize my order so that I can add on different things for a lower price than usual. So this time I got, oh, I'm so glad I got this back in my life, the MetaPower Advantage. It's usually in orange lemon flavor, but this time I got pomegranate cherry. They had this flavor for a limited time, but they have it in here permanently now, so you can get this whenever, wherever. So, and this has 9 different types of collagen and a whole bunch of other ingredients that'll really help your metabolic function, your healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I have a video I can put up there about it. Just look into either corner and you'll see it. And so that's what that's all about. And it gives me super energy in the mornings. And I wanted to really dive into more of my digestive health. And so I decided to get the Terrazyme Digestive Enzyme Complex. And this is supposed to really break down your food and give you all the nutrients you want from whatever you're eating. Of course, healthy eating is encouraged when you take this, but I mean, if you're eating maybe pasta or pizza, this will really break it down for you and give you all the proper nutrients you need. So this is a phenomenal product. I might have to do a little short video on this one day after I take it for a few days. Yeah, I'll let you know the results. So that's Terrazyme for you. And I have a few things I got for free this month. First, I'm going to show you this. This is the MetaPower Metabolic Blend, and that's part of the same system as the collagen. And this is supposed to help with healthy glucose levels, lowering your blood sugar, overall metabolic health, metabolic function. And I like using this all three ways, which is aromatically. I just breathe it in when I'm doing my workouts, and it helps keep me energized and motivated to keep going. I use it topically, which is on my skin. Sometimes I'll put it in certain places where there's extra cellulite that I don't want, and I just put it over there along with a bit of fractionated coconut oil or any carrier oil, and it's supposed to help reduce that extra cellulite you don't want. So that's a plus. And I also like taking this internally as well. I like putting it in my water, and it gives me all that energy and all that metabolic function I need all throughout the day. So that's what this is, MetaPower Metabolic Blend. And that's the free product of the month, this month. So, yes. And that comes with your 125 PV or point value order or more. So, that's what you get. And I just got a few more little things that I knew I needed for my wellness. Yeah. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of the Cyto scan, and it scans your face and it gives you suggested products you probably could use to up-level your health. Sorry, my cat's speaking. I don't know why. But yeah. Yeah, this scan will scan your face, and it'll give you suggested products that'll help your whatever area you need help the most in. And apparently I needed more uplifting feelings in my life, so they suggested I get the Cheer Uplifting Blend. And this is a roll-on. This is my first time trying this, so I'll probably put a reaction video later and give y'all how I feel afterward. But has a whole bunch of oils in it. It has wild orange, star anise, ginger, ginger, bergamot or bergamot, people say it either way, ylang ylang, oh my, frankincense, lemongrass, tonka bean, and vanilla. So this sounds like a really great blend to try. Oh, I can't wait. My cat. Also, I got the On Guard mouthwash. I really needed more of this. It really helps with your oral care. So good. And to use along with it, I got the Super Mint Remineralizing Whitening Toothpaste. So good. They have the Super Mint, and they also have On Guard as well. And I also got the doTERRA Refreshing Body Wash. We've been using this for a bunch, and it really cleans your skin and clears it up and gives you such energetic benefits when you use it. It smells wonderful. It has grapefruit and a couple other oils, and it's so good. And get these. I got these products as well as this for free. How, you wonder? I used points. So every month I order, I get a certain percentage of points back, and I get up to 30% of points, and I can use it on whatever I want. I can use it for shipping costs if I want to, all those good things. So that's really great. And since I have reached the 30% mark, I am known as a VIP. So they send me this beautiful bag I can use. It's a toiletry bag, and you use it to put whatever you want in it for travel, you know, toiletries, extra things. You could probably put a few oils in there if you want to as well. Yeah, I can get into that a little later. But that's what I got because I'm a VIP. Yay! And I did have a video previously about that, so if you want to check it out, I have it in either of these corners right here, or you can just go to my community page and click on that, and it'll take you right to it. And oh man, I love how they have these little share cards. So nice. And this one is about the free product of the month, MetaPower Metabolic Blend. And it also has a little QR code you can scan and you can find out more about it. So that's all I got. I'll probably have a post unboxing video afterward. But if y'all liked what I have here and you want to find out for yourselves how these products can benefit you, then just leave a comment below, or reach out to me on my Facebook, Instagram. I'm everywhere. Or you can get on my email list at heartfeltoils.com. So, with that said, I pray y'all have a wonderful day, rest of the week, and may y'all be well. Bye.